Hey guys, Mr. Mo's Kid. This is a video about my dog's puppies. She gave birth to them yesterday, about 4 o'clock in the morning. She went into labour on Saturday. Let's have a look at them. There's 8 of these little things. Look. Look at them. They're so cute. You a good mummy. You a good mummy, yes you are. Hello. They're only a day old, so their eyes are still closed and they can't hear, can't walk or anything. Oh, he's woken up. Where's he going? That's my favourite one. Oh, he's going to get some milk. 4 boys and 4 girls. It's hard work being a mum, isn't it? Hello. Tickle tickle. Tickle tickle. Tickle. Tickle tickle. Ah. Okay, I'll leave your babies alone now, Ruby. Yep, so there's our puppies. I'll see you next time, and I'll do another video of them when they're running around a bit more and they've got their eyes open.